These Hydro Splash water shoes are perfect for your outdoor adventures. These do have a man-made upper with webbing overlays, so it's going to be nice all summer long. And these do have a hook and loop closure on this strappy design. There is a little pull tab to assist with hassle-free entry. And they do have a really cool removable molded footbed with all these perforations, so it's going to really help keep you nice and dry. They have built-in arch support as well as this foam padded heel, so it's really going to give you a protective feel. These are pretty cool underneath as well because they have these drainage ports, so it's really going to help keep the water out and keep your feet nice and dry. They also have rubber that's going to keep you really protected and give you a lot of grip under your feet. And I love these shoes for the outdoors, so you can wear them with some shorts and a little dry fit top.